àgọ́ bá ti wà lára èèyàn àyànmọ́ máa di kádàrá. Ohun tí èèyàn kọ látọ̀run ni àyànmọ́. Ohun táyé sọ̀yàn dà ní kádàrá.
What people made you to become is faith.
Ohun téèyàn gbà ní kámú ni wọ́n ń pè ní kádàrá.
What you accept is faith.
Àgọ́ kì í jẹ́ kíran ènìyàn ṣẹ.
Image do not allow vision to come to fulfillment.
Àgọ́ ayé lọ́rọ̀.
Evil image upon you.
Iná bọ̀.
Fire removes it.
Àgọ́.
Image.
Jẹ́ ọ̀daràn sí Ọlọ́run.
It has no respect for ministers of God.
Ẹ̀ràn sí Ọlọ́run.
Ministers of God.
Àgọ́.
Image.
Àgọ́.
Image.
Kọ́là kíni.
It has no respect for color.
Ó ní kọ́là gan ló fẹ́ jà lógun.
He actually wants to fight the ones that has color. If you see people that are being deported,
wọ́n ṣàlàyé fún yín pé agbára tí àgọ́ ní.
The power of image is very terrible.
Mo ń bọ̀ wá mo sì ń bọ̀ lórí òjìji mẹ́rin o.
To foreshadows.
Agbára tí àgọ́ ní.
The power of
wọ́n á máa fi wọ̀yà wọ́n á tó máa gbé bojú láti dààmú èèyàn.
You can even use it to.
Gbogbo ẹni tó fara pamọ́ sínú àgọ́ tí ń yọ ọ́ lẹ́nu.
Everyone that hides under an image troubling your life.
Mo kéde.
I announce.
Olúwa kọlù gbogbo ọ̀wọ̀.
The Lord smites all of them.
Nígbà tí wọ́n fẹ́ ta Isaac jẹ, àgọ́ ni wọ́n lò fún.
An image was used.
Wọ́n fi awọ ẹran bọwọ́.
They used an image.
Wọ́n gbé àgọ́ Esau wọ Jacob.
They used the image of Esau upon Jacob. And the father said,
ohun yìí yàtọ̀.
This voice is different.
Bẹ̀sọ̀ ọwọ́ tí mo ń fọ́
But
kàn.
this hand that I touch,
ọwọ́ Esau ni.
it looks like the hands of Esau. But the voice I am hearing is the voice of Jacob.
Ó ní ohun tí mo máa fi dá yín mọ̀.
I know what I can use to recognize you. Esau used to sweat because he was
hairy. Oògùn tí ẹ̀ máa jẹ́ kó ní ó dọ̀. Bàbá rẹ̀ ní tí wọ́n fi mọ̀ orí ń bẹ lára rẹ̀. Sọ́mọ mi. If I can smell your clothes, I will know it's you. When he smelled it, it was the image of Esau upon him.
Yes, sir.
That was how he collected Esau's blessing. Everyone using your image to collect your blessing. I pray. The Lord will strip them naked.
Amen.
Ara àgọ́ náà ni mo ń bá bọ̀ dáadáa.
Part of image is what I'm talking about.
Wọ́n wá sí Nàìjíríà.
The person who is in Nigeria, he has been in America for about 15 years. He said, don't you see? Your company is what I use to obtain paper to go. The owner of the company himself never passed Cotonou.
The
person that used the company, lift up your hands.
Send
God ahead to the person that used power to stagnate you. If they do not allow you to go, you will just be hallucinating. If you do not have glory, you said you have logo. Who designed it? Who helped you to design it? Anyone that lacks
logo,
it is the person that has glory that they will say this is the style he's using, we can use it. Nobody wants to copy anyone that his life is doomed. I was speaking to a daddy about 3 weeks ago. He's a minister of God. He said, please pray for me.
It
will be up in ministry for about 40 something years.
43
years in ministry. He said, please pray for me. 18 years I suffered. I was stagnated on the spot. 18 years. Said what I was doing for 18 years, I do not ring a bell like this. 18 years. Look here. What is more terrible is for lifetime to be wasted. If your lifetime is wasted, they will also mock you again. You have to fight to do well. You have to fight to be successful. Fight to be lifted. It is in presence of Lord. Joel 2, I will restore the years that the locust has eaten, that they have eaten. yó. Olúwa Ọlọ́run yẹn tó fi ìyanu bá yín lò. Ojú kì yóò sì ti àwọn èèyàn.
You will not be put to shame.
Gbogbo ọdún tí ayé ti gbà mọ́ lọ́wọ́.
Every year that the world has taken from you.
Ọlọ́run tó máa ń dá padà.
God of restoration.
Ó fi àánú dá padà fún ọ.
Restores it by virtue. When the Lord said I should come to Ibadan, when I ran to Lagos, and I said there's money in Lagos, and I was greatly affected when I suffered in Lagos. When I was praying, the Lord said, go back to Ibadan. When you get to Ibadan, I will restore the years that has been wasted.
So promise
that was the promise I heard in prayers. Then I packed my loads. I came back to Ibadan. As I got to Iworo, and I lighted from the car, I went to a pastor friend. I said, don't you see the Lord? I suffered and I'm enjoying it. He said, the pastor said, yes, we would look for an accommodation for you. You should advise me not to come. That I am in front of your house. And they took me to a house. The house was 160,000 for rent.
40,000.
Maybe 40,000 naira is what I have. I said I have 40,000 naira. A couple was standing and they said they want to drop the money. And they said no. Pastor that has 40,000, please come. Take money from the one that has the full money. No, it is you that I want to pay. I said I do not have the full money. He said you will pay. You will pay.
Days.
In about 35 days, I said.
He
said I would hold on, I would be patient. Then I gave him the money. Well, it is possible to misplace money. I have misplaced the money. Then I ran back to Lagos.
Exactly 35 days.
Exactly 35 days he called. The money that you want to balance.
Meanwhile, I did not give
the agent money. He said I will give you. Take money from the people that has the money. As he called me for the money, and somebody gave me 150,000. And the Lord said, go and pay the money. When I got to Ibadan, the Lord said, break your SIM card at Iwo Road. Then I broke it. I bought another one. He said, if you have that SIM card, you would run back. I will connect you to the people that I have for you. Lift up your hands.
I
want to send forth an authority. Every years that has been wasted upon your life. Of the apostles.